Hello, my name is Alexander War, and this is week 15 of the Backend Software Development course at Promineo Tech. This week was about JDBC and bean validation, which included creating our DAO layer to include the package and the interface and the DAO method itself. Now, we started with the interface. The interface is fairly simple. It simply requires that its children pull a list Jeep from two variables, a Jeep model and a string that is trim. In the DAO itself, it was a little bit more intensive. We needed to add a variable of a JDBC template. We drew from the interface for our method. Within that method, we'll be debugging. We'll have a SQL string that brings in what we're looking for. We additionally add a variable called params, which takes our two parameters and formats them into a map. This returns the SQL code with the parameters and a row mapper, which sets us up with all of the variables of the Jeep that's being called out. That JDBC template will be fed into the sales service and will return the Jeep. We additionally, so that everything worked, had to ignore one of the variables in the database of model PK, because when we attempt to test it with our controller, it pulls up null because we don't have a test for that right now. As you can see, it's not one of the things that is listed in the test. So we added a JSON ignore to make sure that everything runs smoothly. That sums up the code that we went through and adjusted. And now all that's left is to go ahead and run the test. And as you can see, the test passed. Thank you for watching.